Hello everyone, this is Ketish here. In this video, I'm going to go through the AQA Combined Science Physics Paper 2 Higher Tier from 2022. Question number 4 is on the topic of magnetism and electromagnetism. A teacher demonstrated the motor effect. Figure 5 shows the equipment used. So you've got magnets, which are permanent magnets. You've got the North Pole and the South Pole facing each other. And there's a wire in between which is carrying a current. Question 4.1. Explain why there is a force on the wire when there is a current in the wire. Now, when there is a current in the wire, that would produce a magnetic field around it. Now, because that magnetic field is inside, another magnetic field from the permanent magnet, which is going from north to south, there's two magnetic fields interacting, which would either oppose or attract each other, which means there is going to be a force on the wire itself. So the answer, there is a magnetic field due to the permanent magnet, and the current in the wire produces a magnetic field. These magnetic fields interact, causing a force on the wire. Now you don't have to actually explain this bit. You just need to give these 2 points for the 2 marks. 4.2. Explain how the direction of the force on the wire can be predicted. Now, to predict the direction of the force, you would use Fleming's Left Hand Rule. Now, remember, Fleming's Left Hand Rule is basically placing your 3 fingers, your thumb, first finger, and your second or middle finger, and your thumb is the force, this is the field or magnetic field direction, and this is the current direction. So you could place it along each of these directions respectively, which will give you the direction of the force. So answer, using Fleming's Left Hand Rule, place first finger in the direction of the field lines, place second finger in direction of the current, then thumb will show the direction of the force. 4.3. Figure 6 shows a simple electric motor. So you have a cell. On top of the cell is a magnet, and to each side of the cell is connected a metal support which has a metal wire and which has a coil in the center. Okay. Explain one way that the motor could be changed to increase the rate at which the coil rotates. Now, in order to do that, you could increase the number of coils, or you could add another magnet, or you could add another cell as well. So any of those 3 things will cause the coil to spin faster. So anyone from more turns of the coil on the wire on the coil, or increase the current, stronger magnet. So any one of these, because they're asking you to explain, you have to state what you're going to do and how that will actually have, what effect it will have. This will increase the force on the coil due to the motor effect. That brings us to the end of question number 4, and I will see you in question number 5.